Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that tan bx we can put into sine bx over cosine bx. So when I put 1 over 2 going here and here, we have number 0 over number 0 in here. So in this situation, we can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So for this one, we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have y equal to ab. So if we do first derivative of this one, we need to do first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So for this one, we need to do first derivative of 2x minus 1 multiplied by sine bx. Later that we do first derivative of sine bx multiplied by 2x minus 1. So for this one, we have number 2. This one, we have b cosine bx. This one, we have negative b sine bx. And now we can put 1 over 2 going here and here. So if we simplify and we have only negative number 2 over b. This is the end. Thank you for watching.